It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! That bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, Debo. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea! Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and Debo. I'm Jody. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
Debo would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, Debo. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go! Nice birdie! Jody, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, Debo. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa! You use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jody. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jody find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, Debo.
Bye, Blippi and Debo. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jody. Bye, eggs.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Easy. Careful now. Whoa, I'm hungry. This cereal is soggy. I wonder, why does cereal get soggy? Great idea, Debo. We'll shrink down and find out. I'm gonna need wings, duck feet, and the grabber arm.
Wings, duck feet, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. You're right, Debo. It sure is hard.
Attention!
Whoa! Who are you?
I'm Scooper the Spoon. That's Sergeant Scooper the Spoon to you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn why cereal gets soggy.
Well, you came to the best of the best. These crunchy pieces of cereal are as hard as nails. The only problem is we got incoming milk in T-minus 30 seconds.
What happens then?
The cereal gets all wet, Blippi. At first, it may seem like cereal is 100% solid, but if you look closely, it's actually porous. That means full of tiny little holes.
Good idea, Debo. I'll go gather some intel, and you stay here on the lookout. Shrinking down again! It's like a cave made of cereal.
All those holes you're flying through are open space for milk to fill and make the cereal soggy. Then it expands and falls apart. Milk incoming!
Whoa! The cereal is falling apart. Time to get out of here. Growing up!
No time to float around. We've got a cereal rescue mission to complete. Now that the milk has infiltrated the cereal, we've got to scoop fast before the cereal gets soggy.
We're on it. Oh no!
I got it! You see, in the few minutes the cereal has been in milk, it has absorbed the liquid through the holes. Not like how a sponge absorbs water. With your help, we got all the cereal out safely. Well done, troops.
Thanks, Sergeant Scooper. And I got the answer to my question. Why does cereal get soggy? Cereal gets soggy when milk fills in the tiny holes of the cereal and causes it to expand and fall apart. Upload answer, Debo.
Goodbye, Blippi.
Bye-bye, Sergeant Scooper. Thanks for the scoop.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! This spiderweb looks amazing! You're right, Debo. Spiderwebs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah, I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
Debo, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape.
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye.
Au revoir!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Me too! I love looking at spooky houses decorated for Halloween. Wow! Look at all the jack-o'-lanterns. Let's go check it out.
Hi, Blippi!
Yikes! Oh, hello, Mr. Pumpkin. You scared me.
You're welcome, Blippi. I love to be scared. It's fun.
It is? I wonder, is it really fun to be scared?
Only one way to find out. Let's have a scare contest.
Okay, let's do it. Yikes!
Score 1 for Team Pumpkin.
Team? I don't see anyone else. Yikes! Oh, hi again, Bones.
That's 2 points for Team Pumpkin. Come on, Bones. Let's plan our next scare.
We have to come up with a good scare, Debo. What can we do? I have an idea. I'll wear this mask and stand on your shoulders while you howl. Let's go.
This is gonna be good.
Ooh. Score 1 for Team Blippi.
You got us good, Blippi.
Yeah! Nice work, Debo! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! Cool! A secret hallway?
Oh boy, this is really going to scare them.
Boo!
That's 2 points for Team Blippi. The next team to score a point is the winner!
Yeah! Hold on, Debo. I have an idea. Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out and scare Mr. Pumpkin and Bones.
Hey, Bones! Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out to scare Blippi and Debo!
Thanks!
I guess it's a tie.
All right! Halloween is the best! But I still don't know the answer to my question. Is it really fun to be scared?
Yeah!
All right, upload answer, Debo. Thanks for an awesome scare contest, Mr. Pumpkin. I had a lot of fun.
No problem, Blippi. I had a lot of fun, too.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Rawr, rawr. You're right, Debo. It would be fun to have a dinosaur as a pet. I wonder, would a dinosaur make a good pet? Good thinking. We'll go back in time to find out. I'm gonna need the grabber arm and monster truck wheels.
Grabber arm, monster truck wheels, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. That's right, we're in the Cretaceous period. Millions of years ago when the Earth was filled with dinosaurs! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi there, Blippi. I'm Tina, the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hi, Tina. We were wondering, would a dinosaur make a good pet? an animal that you love and care for.
Wow, being a pet sounds amazing. Maybe I could be your pet for the day.
Can you drop Debo, please? Debo's made of metal, and we don't want you to break a tooth. Good, Dino.
We sure do have sharp teeth. I use mine to eat.
Whoa, do you eat a lot? Feeding is an important part of having a pet.
I can bite off 500 pounds of food in one chomp.
That's a lot more than I have here. Let's try a trick. Great idea, Debo. Ugh. Go fetch, Tina. Whoa!
Whoopsies. Sometimes I forget my size. Us T-Rexes can be as tall as 12 feet high and up to 40 feet long.
Wow, that's so big. Hey, let's go for a walk, Tina. Whoa! Look at all of those teeth. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Something tells me that's not how a walk is supposed to go.
We gave it a try, but I'm not sure if dinosaurs are meant to be pets.
I think you're right. We're meant to rule the jungle.
Yep, and you helped find the answer to my question. Would a dinosaur make a good pet? Dinosaurs are big, have lots of teeth, need room to roam, and eat a lot. So they might not be good pets, but it's still fun to imagine. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Tina.
Bye. Come back in time. Anytime.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Oh, look at that cute little squirrel digging a hole. Did you see her bury that nut? So true, Debo. We do need to know the answer. I wonder, why do squirrels bury their nuts? I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Look, Debo! This is an acorn. It's a type of nut, and squirrels love them. Here, squirrely, squirrely. We have an acorn over here.
Nuts! Nuts! I need more nuts! I can't get enough nuts.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my friend Debo. We found a nut for you.
Nut? Oh, thanks for the acorn, Blippi. My name is Sparky. I'm kind of a nut expert.
Then you have to tell us, Sparky. Why do squirrels bury their nuts?
What? You don't bury your nuts? Huh? Come with me. No time to waste. We need nuts, 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 and more nuts. This is the garden, my favorite place to collect and bury things. You know, I can bury 25 things an hour.
That's a lot of burying. How do you remember where you put it all?
I keep everything up here in the old furry head. My memory is amazing. You think you can remember like I can? You want to try it?
We sure do.
Okay, now watch. Okay, do you remember where I just buried all those acorns?
Of course we do. Easy peasy.
Not an acorn.
This is harder than I thought.
Hello, yummy walnut.
We can't find any acorns.
That's right, because I take special care to hide my nuts so only I can find them. That's how I keep them safe. And then I'll dig them up in the winter when I'm hungry and food is harder to find.
So cool! And I found the answer to my question. Why do squirrels bury their nuts? Squirrels bury their nuts and other things so they can eat them later and have enough food during the winter. Upload answer, Devo. Bye, Sparky. Bye-bye. Keep digging.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
I don't think your guitar is working right, Debo. I wonder, how does a guitar work? You're right, Debo. Let's go find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Rock and roller! That sounded great. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
I'm picky.
We were wondering how a guitar works. Can you show us?
I can, but I can't work the guitar by myself. I'll need your help to play it right.
Okay.
When I pick a string, it goes back and forth really fast, which makes a note.
Whoa, you're right, Debo. My string is much thicker than yours. I bet it's harder to balance for you.
The faster the string goes back and forth, the higher the note.
How do you make other notes on a guitar?
That's why I needed your help. Hey, Debo, could you move towards the far end of the neck, mate? Now back towards me. Solo!
Well, that explains how different notes are made. Why does the guitar have such a big body?
That's the part that makes it loud. Thank you. Hey, come stand over here on the soundboard.
We're going up and down, too.
When I pluck the string, the whole guitar body vibrates, and the sound hole there makes it super loud, like shouting while cupping your hands over your mouth.
Hello. Wow, that was loud.
Right, practice is over. Time to jam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you!
And now I have the answer to my question. How does a guitar work? Guitars work because the strings vibrate and make sound, which is made louder by causing the whole hollow guitar body to vibrate. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Picky.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Devo. Remember to always keep rocking.
Woo! Don't worry, Debo. Those aren't real monsters. They're trick-or-treaters, because it's Halloween. Of course, Debo. I can teach you how to trick-or-treat.
Did somebody say trick-or-treat?
Whoa! Oh, hi, Rita. This is my friend, Debo.
Hi, Debo. I'm Rita the raccoon, and Halloween is my favorite holiday.
Because of all the costumes?
No, silly. All the free food. Ha!
Well, you're just in time because Debo and I are about to go trick-or-treating. Wait, Debo! We still need a few things before we go. The first thing we'll need are costumes. Great idea! We'll be ghosts! So fun! Even ghosts need to be able to see. There we go. Ooh. Boo. I'm a Blippi ghost. Whoa! We've got a karate master trick-or-treating with us.
Oppa!
And now a chef. So cool.
Boo! I'll just stick with a mask.
Our costumes are ready. Time for the next step. Containers to hold our treats. Cool jack-o'-lantern pails.
Yeah! Trash bag! Ooh! My first treat!
Now it's time to hit the streets.
It's getting dark!
A glowing ghost. Fun! Okay. Be sure to pick a house that is decorated and lit up for Halloween. Then knock on the door and say,
Trick or treat! Come on! What are you waiting for?
Trick or treat! Thank you! Happy Halloween!
What? Shoot!
Remember, you can only go to each house one time and just take one piece of candy. Trick or treat!
Ha-ha! Jackpot!
That'll last you till next Halloween. Whoa! Those scare me every time. Trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Look what I got!
Whoa! Look at all these treats!
Thanks for helping me teach Debo how to trick or treat, Rita. And remember, Debo, to trick or treat, you need a costume and a bag or pail for treats. Then walk door to door, stop at the lit and decorated houses, say trick or treat to get goodies in return. And remember, you always need an adult. Yeah. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet night, Rita.
Bye, Blippi and Debo! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs! That bouncy castle is out of this world! I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs! We can go to the moon and find out. I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs.
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore. The Blippi-mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up!
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here! I never knew I could have been having so much fun!
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha, 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 cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky.
Keep on bouncing, Blippi.
Whoa! Ready, Debo? 3, 2, 1! Yeah, it's not quite what I envisioned. I wish I could make a few changes. Oh yeah! I can use an eraser! I wonder, how does an eraser work? Great idea, Debo! We'll shrink down and get a closer look. I'm gonna need a grabber arm and helicopter blades.
Grabber arm, helicopter blades, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Even up close, it sure does need some changes.
Maybe I can help. Huh? I am the amazing Ernie!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how an eraser works.
Well, you came to the right eraser because I can make anything disappear. Even pencil markings.
That's amazing!
Come see, it's the best show in town! The tip of a pencil is made of graphite, and when you rub it on paper, it leaves a mark.
Cool! Let's take a closer look through a magnifying glass.
Graphite gets left behind on the paper because it actually sticks to the paper.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh no! I got it! Phew! That was close!
Sorry about that.
Whoa! Hey, Ernie, can you erase this graphite mark?
Oh, what a great idea! I will make that mark disappear by erasing it. When an eraser like me rubs against the paper, it creates friction and heat.
Awesome!
The heat makes the eraser stickier than the paper, so the graphite comes loose from the paper and sticks to the eraser instead. Friction also causes the eraser to disintegrate or fall apart. See the small bits coming off?
You've got a few on you.
Oh, they're cute. Rub the eraser on the paper enough, and boy, oh boy, the graphite comes off. Ta-da! My disappearing act.
That's amazing! Was it magic?
No, it's science.
Cool! And I got the answer to my question. How does an eraser work? Erasers work by using friction to make them stickier than paper, so the graphite on the paper clings to the eraser. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for the magic show, Ernie. Now it's time for us to disappear.
Goodbye, Blippi. It was magic to meet you.
Yum! These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess! Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, Devo! I think I know that fly! It's Horace!
Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal?
How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree. The ceiling is my own personal dance floor. Now you try.
Here goes! Whoa! Why can't the Blippi-mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
Mm-hmm. You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
The glue has us stuck in place.
that's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, Debo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Halloween is the best, Tabs. And I love trick-or-treating too. Hey, look! A haunted house. Whoa! Look at all the decorations. So cool! You're right, Tabs. Maybe there are treats inside. I wonder what's inside a haunted house. Let's find out. Ready, Tabs? Tabs! What? I better go into the haunted house to find Tabs. This should be fun! Hi! It's me, Blippi. I'm looking for my friend Tabs. Have you seen her?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Mr. Pumpkin.
Was that a ghost?
Probably, yeah. I haven't seen Tabs, but you can look for her in this house full of magical and spooky fun.
Great!
Maybe my friend Bones has seen Tabs. He's in the basement. I'd start by taking the stairs.
All right. Whoa! Whee!
Turn into a slide!
Mr. Pumpkin? Tabs? Hello? Whoa! Sorry.
Don't worry. It happens all the time to Bones.
Maybe he's seen Tabs. I better sweep him up.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Whoa! 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 Whee! Sorry again, Bones. Whoa! Maybe that flying ghost knows where Tabs is. Let's follow it. Woo! Whoa! Hi, witch. Bye, witch. Well, I guess this is a dead end. I wonder where everyone went. Cool! A spinning wall! Whoa! Woohoo!
Congrats, Blippi! You made it all the way through my haunted house. The tricks are over, but now it's time for the treats!
But wait, I still haven't found Tabs. Tabs? You were the ghost the whole time? Well, now I have the answer to my question. What's inside a haunted house? Fun, spooky skeletons, cobwebs, a talking pumpkin, spiders, a witch, and a floating tabs ghost. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for letting us have fun in your house, Mr. Pumpkin. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car! It's going so fast! You're right, the Blippi-mobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, Debo! We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Hi! Are you here to try out the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race.
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, Debo. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Oh, nice try, Debo. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast. Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can. Only 180 miles per hour now. Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars. Plus, my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamic.
You and my Blippi-mobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain. Do your thing.
You can do it, Debo. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, Debo.
Now you're even faster.
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! I'm blown away! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Ricardo.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Debo. Ciao.
Whoa, look at that! It's amazing how big dinosaurs were. You're right, Debo. There were bigger dinosaurs than the T-Rex. I wonder, what was the biggest dinosaur? Good idea, Debo. We can go back in time and find the biggest dinosaur. I'm gonna need wings and extendo legs.
Wings, extendo legs confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Okay, where is the biggest dinosaur? Whoa! The rock is moving! Oh! We aren't sitting on a rock. We're on a very big dinosaur's back. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi and Divo. I'm Angie, the Argentinosaurus.
Whoa! That is a big name for a big dino. I have to break it up to say it right. Argentinosaurus.
That's me. So, I'm on my way to meet a friend. Oh, you want to come along?
Thanks for inviting us. Do you want to race? I bet you can run super fast.
Actually, I walk slowly. That's part of being so big. Plus, I need to snack to keep up my energy. I eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
You want to get a selfie of you and all of Angie? Good luck, Debo. Whoa, you're really long.
I'm about 130 feet long and 40 feet tall.
That's as long as 3 school buses and a little taller than a telephone pole.
Yummy. Up the hill we go. I'll be your bridge.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
This is where I meet my friend. Hey, good shot, Divo. We're both in it. Oh, and look, so is my friend.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, this is my good friend, Nina. Nina, this is Blippi and Debo. They're looking for the biggest dinosaur.
That's an easy one. You're the biggest dinosaur around, Angie.
Oh, I guess I am.
So cool! And I have the answer to my question. What was the biggest dinosaur? One of the biggest dinosaurs was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 feet long and ate plants and leaves all day. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Angie and Nina.
Bye, Blippi.
Bye, Blippi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Hey, it's a garbage truck. I can see it and smell it too. Wow, Tabs, even you think it's stinky. And you're a robot. Wait, where's that buzzing sound coming from? Oh, flies! Hey, those flies just flew into the garbage truck. I wonder, why do flies love garbage? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the garbage truck to find out the answer. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why flies love garbage. Shrinking down! Hold your breath, Tabs. We're going in. I'm in the garbage truck.
Welcome! I'm Horace the Fly. Looks like your first time here.
Hi, Horace. It's me, Blippi. This is my first visit to a garbage truck. Little stinky, huh?
Not for me. I love smells. Follow me. I'll show you around. This place is like my playground. Whoopsies. Sorry about that.
Hey, Horace. Why do flies love garbage?
Because it's delicious and garbage makes me fly. We've got stinky beans, moldy cheese, greasy pizza boxes, and even leftover mystery mush. Oops, sorry, must have been the beans.
I could give you a ride to the nearest garden or fly restaurant. Horace! Where are you?
Everything's coming up! Garbage! Or was that cake? Oh, no, that was not cake. Still good, though. Gotta dash and eat all the trash.
Horace has more energy now. Aha! Which means I think I have the answer to why flies like garbage. It's because they love the smell and they find food there. That's so silly. Upload answer tabs.
Yes, sir, Blippi. For me, a garbage truck is a 24/7 all-I-can-eat restaurant.
Woohoo! Go Horace! Thanks.
Cheers, Blippi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! I love our cool Blippi mobile. You're right, Debo. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea! We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing. I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool. So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go to the top of that hill. We made it! Knew we would! Now down we go!
Oh no, Debo! Whoa! 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 Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it, cars only had 2 seats, and you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Great-Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Phew, it's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding!
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling! Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my Popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your Popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right, which means we have the answer to my question. Why my Popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because Popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye.